Okay, so Lumia notes, let's do update video, and also I'm going to send you to 5 people $40 each as thank you for using my code. Just a few weeks ago, Lumia notes come out. I think it was about 1 month ago, and I was the first YouTuber who bring this to you. Which means they already sold almost 28,000 notes, and the price today is $4,000. So if you got in when I mentioned this to you day number 1, well, it was only $1,000 and you earn good amount of tokens, because now these 100,000 tokens what are given to everybody are split between 28,000 people, note holder, which means we're getting less and less tokens. Okay, so this is a big speculation. The word out on the street is that some of their big partners, they bought around 10,000 nodes. That is crazy. So I don't think they will buy with no reason 10,000 nodes of around over $1,000. It's crazy. So let me just go back. Before we do the giveaway, make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research and never ever put more money you can afford to lose. Also, thank you for everybody who used my code. I did send to these people a couple of weeks ago some money. Let me see if you can see my face. There we go. A couple of weeks ago, I did send some money for these people. And again, this is the I did a lucky video and I sent $50 to all of them. And thank you so much. And today you have a chance maybe to win again. So to be more transparent, I did put all the everybody who used my code, I put your referral code here. So when you get the note, you're getting referral code, and I put the codes here, and then I'm going to choose 5 people at the end of the video. I'm going to send you $40 each direct to your wallet. You're going to get as USDT on Binance Chain. Yes, there we go. Okay, so this is the Lumia note. So if you go to their Twitter accounts, you will see that they have over 160,000 followers. Okay, well, it's pretty good. They raised over $28 million, and this was 10 days ago, in only 20 days. So that's mean we are, I think, old only for a month. Now, next thing I want to mention, definitely yesterday, 20 hours ago when I'm doing this video, they put a big article here. So this is why I'm doing this video now, and maybe you need to read this one. So Lumia strategic funding round, Laser Digital, okay, Nomura Group, DWF Labs, and TRGC. Okay, so go and read all this article. I will don't read for you here. I will leave the link down in the description, but this is in their Twitter. Make sure you read this, because this is very interesting, and what they're saying, what their partnership, what they partner, and what they think about Lumia nodes, about the real world asset. So if you see here, the strategic investment round is led by Laser Digital, the digital asset arm of Nomura, a global powerhouse, okay, renowned for its deep expertise in financial markets. So all these investors, all these partners, they will, I'm not saying, that doesn't say here they bought the notes, but I believe this is one of the big people who got a big chunk of the notes. So they will don't invest for nothing. They probably smell that something is going on. Okay, so if you go and check what's going to happen with Lumia nodes, so their own token, what's called, let me just open here, what's called Orion, is going to become Lumia, and it's already listed on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, and so on and so on, and it's going to be swapped 1-to-1. On today price is 112, but don't forget the market has been down, but it's been up already over 20 something bucks, 26, 27 bucks. And if you see in the last 3 months that it was holding price around 140, 175, and then with the latest market drop in the last 2 weeks, we have a correction of the price. But if you see, it's already listed on Binance, Gate, Bitmart, Coinbase, BitGet, and what's mean is going to be swapped to Lumia token. Okay, so if you have the node, congratulations to you. Did pick up all your okay, so let's pick up 5 winners, $40 each. Do I'm recording? Yes. Okay, so 5 people, $40 each. Thank you so much for using my code, and wait for the next video for the new hot node what's coming in the next week or maybe 10 days time. That will be also a video you don't want to miss. All right, so winner number 1. Good, congratulations. Well done. Winner number 2. Good. Remove. Winner number 3. Winner number 4. And last winner. So if you are winner from these 5 people, you're going to get $40 sent to your wallet from Binance Chain for the same wallet you got the note. All right, remove. Congratulations to you. There we go. These are the winners. Thank you so much for everybody using my code. Make sure you smash the like and let me know in the comment section if you win. And if you win, just confirm. It will be amazing. And read this article. It's a big one. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day. Wait for the next video what's coming for the new hot node, because that will be badass. All right, thank you. Goodbye.